Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls. Throw them into the shower drain, and the result will surprise you. First, remove the plug from the shower tray and take out the drain part. Every shower has a different drain. Here, you just need to unscrew it. Clean it from any hair if there is any. Thoroughly clean the drain in the shower tray with a sponge. Use warm water and plenty of dish soap. Scrub away all the grime. Soak the drain parts in water with baking soda and wash them. Then pour a liter of vinegar into a kettle and heat it up. Go back to the bathroom. Throw 2 aspirin tablets into the drain and pour vinegar over them. You'll hear bubbling and see foam. Now, boil water in the kettle and pour it down the drain. The hot water will flush the pipes, eliminating any clogs and unpleasant odors. That's enough to make the drain flow freely again. Reassemble the drain with the plug and enjoy a clean shower. This way, the problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes. And you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. all the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors. Grab a bucket and the mop you usually use to clean the floor. In the bucket, prepare a mixture. Pour about 1 liter of hot water into the bucket. It shouldn't be boiling, but still hot. Add 2 cups of vinegar, which has disinfecting and cleaning properties, leaving no streaks and removing bacteria from surfaces. Next, add 50 grams of baking soda, which also disinfects. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. This mixture removes dirt, grime, stains, and bad odors. Mix everything together. Soak the mop in the bucket, as you would when cleaning the floor. Squeeze out the excess water and start cleaning the bathtub. You can clean it thoroughly without bending over. The tub will be perfectly clean. Rinse it with water and let it dry. If there's any excess water left, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. You'll see that the tub will shine with cleanliness like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also very effective.